Hey there guys, this is Eamon, and today I'm doing a review of some shirts, sound activated t-shirts that I got for Christmas. So, it makes sound, the shirt lights up when you make sound or playing music. So, just want to show you for example, Light Free G, like that. See that? I got 3 of them. This is the charging one. Light Free G. Sorry, some of these shirts are not responding very well, and I think they're running out of battery. And, alright, I got the charging one, I got the Rubik's Cube, and I got the system failure one. And let's see how they go in the dark. I'm gonna turn off the light to show you an example. Light Free J. Light Free J. That's the way. Just sing a song. Bam, bam. Alright. Light Free J. That's the way. Alright, I'm gonna turn the light on right now. Yeah. Sorry, something fell. Alright.